Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to prepare the perfect chicken biryani at home. I'm taking 1.5 kilos of fresh chicken. Add salt as per the taste you want. Some amount of red chili powder. If you like more spicy, then add more amount of chili powder. You can also add chilies to it. Add turmeric powder. Now there goes chicken biryani masala. With that, now I'm gonna add curd. And then goes ginger garlic paste into it. Some fried onions. Some fresh mint leaves and coriander leaves. If you want, you can also add coriander powder. Add some amount of oil. Start mixing all the masalas together with hand so that the chicken gets coated well. Add 1 lime juice to it. Mix the chicken well and refrigerate it for 6 hours for the marination. Now take a kadai and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee to it and then add the marinated chicken. You can also use oil in the place of ghee. Mix it well in a medium flame so that the chicken gets coated well. Keep it aside in a low flame, and by the time the next step is, here I am taking 2 liters of water to boil 1 kg of rice. Add oil to it and salt to it for the taste. Now I am adding whole spices and mint leaves, coriander leaves. Give it a mix and allow it to boil slowly. Add soaked rice which I have kept for soaking for about 30 minutes. Cook the rice for about 10 minutes so that the rice grains gets smoother and softer in texture. And yes, this is a perfect time to strain out the rice. Now layer the cooked rice above the chicken. So in the first layer I'm adding some mint leaves and some coriander leaves. So in the replacement of saffron I am using turmeric and milk mixture and fried onions. Follow the same step on the last layer. Add 2 spoons of ghee. Add some amount of rice starch. In order to prepare them, I am using aluminium foil. Cover the aluminium foil carefully without any gaps. Place a plate on top of it and a weight on top of the plate. Cook it for about 10 minutes in medium flame. Tada! The biryani is ready to serve. And yes guys, it is perfectly cooked like restaurant style. I though loved it. Do try at your home. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.